Alright, hello everybody. So today we're going to be doing a video on how to collaborate with other VTubers. So yeah, I'm going to show you quickly how to do collab. So all you have to do is just make a window capture, more specifically. So just click the plus icon and go to window capture. Yeah. And as a new source, name it whatever you want. Collab, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. Oh my god. Sorry about the Discord noise. Okay, so we're gonna go and capture our Discord. So yeah, I capture our Discords right here, as you see, and the person's gonna be capturing their or screen sharing this button here. Their Lovets. So yeah, we just full screen hide the members. Just like that. Yeah. Oh. Like that. We can now put her just there. You can put yourself on top. So okay. Now all you have to do now is just put a filter. Put a Chrome key filter. Like this. The R is just missing a little bit because the R is a little bit greeny. So we'll just slide the similarity down a little bit. Oh wait. I have two of these. Oops. So yeah, color key. Put this up. Alright, a little bit too much. So just her or on her boob is not gone. Okay. So that's basically it. That's now she's on the screen. She's ready to stream with us and collaborate. So there she goes, waving and everything. So that's basically all you do. You screen share your own Muppet to her. Basically, you basically do the same thing, and she does the same thing. That's all. It's that simple. Yeah. And you can give them a kiss. Too. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you on how to collaborate with other VTubers. So make sure to check out my Twitch and my Discord if you have any questions. And also my Patreon. I want to thank my patrons. They help me so much with making videos and buying new things to test out for you guys. Also helping me with my expenses and things. So I'm really grateful for all their support too. So thank you all for watching. Remember to give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more. And so yeah, thank you all. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye bye, everybody. Yeah.